Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important video meant for the students of CA Foundation. My dear students, students from various backgrounds will be coming to CA Foundation. Some students will be coming from MEC background, some students coming from CEC background, some students coming from MPC background, some students coming from BPC background. Now the question is, a single medicine will not fit for all the patients. Similarly, a single strategy will not work out for the students of all the backgrounds. Now today the important discussion I am going to make is how the students of various backgrounds, students coming from various backgrounds need to crack CA Foundation. First of all, let us try to understand what are the subjects available in CA Foundation. My dear students, subjects are different from papers. Yes, there are only 4 papers in CA Foundation, 2 descriptive and 2 objective. But when it comes to subjects, there are more number of subjects. First of all, the first paper is accounting. The paper itself is accounting and the subject itself is accounting. It's a 100 marks paper. So students who have already done MEC or CEC in intermediate might be already aware of majority of the chapters of CA Foundation accounts. But there is a twist. My dear students, don't be in a wrong notion that the standards of problems, the quality of the problems included in CA Foundation will be exactly similar to that of MEC or CEC, that is your intermediate level. No, my dear students, the standards being expected at CA Foundation level are far high when compared to that of MEC or CEC level. So majority of the chapters you might already be aware, but you cannot come to a conclusion that majority of the chapters need not be prepared since we are coming from MEC or CEC backgrounds. Of course, for students coming from science streams, it's completely new subject. Now let us see the second subject. Actually, there is a second paper called Law and BCR together. BCR stands for Business Correspondence and Reporting. Together together it's one paper. So in this paper, Law comprises of 60 marks and BCR comprises of 40 marks. Now coming to Law. So this is an entirely new subject for the students coming from all the backgrounds. Even you belong to MEC or CEC also, this is a completely new subject for you. Now coming to BCR, yes, this is also a completely new subject for the students coming from all the backgrounds. Whether it is MEC, CEC, BPC, MPC, for students of all the backgrounds, it's completely a new subject. But majority of the chapters in this particular subject you might have already learnt in your school level, something like direct indirect speech, active voice, passive voice, antonyms, synonyms, comprehension passages, so precise writing. All these are some of the chapters which you might have already learnt at your school level. Of course, the standards that you have learnt at our school level are different, and the standards in which question papers are set in BCR subject is different. The question papers will be at a higher level when compared to that of your school level, my dear students. So there lies some fundamental difference. So here the standards will be more. So these two subjects put together will be given as one paper. Now let us come to third paper, that is mathematics, reasoning and statistics. Mathematics is for 40 marks, statistics is for 40 marks, reasoning is only for 20 marks. So reasoning is very simple subject. Now coming to mathematics, my dear students, yes, I'll admit, so it's a new subject for the students coming from CEC and BPC students. So students coming from MPC or MEC students might already be aware of this subject, but there is a catch. My dear students, majority of the chapters in this particular subject, that is mathematics, you might have learnt in your 10th class, like logarithms, sets, so relations and functions. All these chapters you might have learnt in our 10th class itself. So you need not worry that each and every chapter is completely unknown to us. No, my dear students. Even if you belong to CEC or BPC background, almost 50% of the chapters you might have learnt in your 10th class itself. That advantage is there. And frankly speaking, when we compare the standards of MCET examinations and that of CA Foundation examination with respect to mathematics subject, the standards of CA Foundation examination will be very less with respect to mathematics. That means even though mathematics subject is included, but the question papers will be easy, the chapters will be easy. You need not come to a conclusion that you need to prepare mathematics to the extent of an MCET examination or AIEEE examination or IIT examination. No, such kind of standards are not there in CA Foundation. It's very simple. The mathematics which is included in CA Foundation is very simple. Very basics have been included in the syllabus. So only fundamentals have been included in the syllabus. You need not worry that the examination standards will be very high. No, as far as mathematics is concerned, the examination standards will be very less. You need not worry about that. So even student from CEC or BPC background can comfortably answer the questions given in mathematics subject, my dear students. Now, the next subject we need to consider is statistics. So definitely statistics is one of the most scoring subjects, and one advantage of statistics is it's new for the students of all the backgrounds. Whether you come from BPC or MEC or CEC or MPC, this is a new subject for all the students. Now coming to reasoning, it's very simple, very scoring, and as far as reasoning also, so 20 marks subject, and as far as reasoning is concerned, this is also a new subject for the students coming from all the backgrounds. Whether you come from CEC or BPC background, so reasoning is a new subject. Even for students of MPC or MEC, reasoning is a new subject, and reasoning is a very scoring subject, my dear students. Now the last paper that we are going to discuss is economics and BCK. Economics is for 60 marks, BCK for 40 marks. BCK stands for business and commercial knowledge. As far as economics 60 marks is concerned, students who are coming from MEC or CEC background might already be familiar with economics, but the standards that they have learnt at their intermediate will be very less when compared to the standards of CA Foundation. So even though they are familiar with economics at intermediate level, they cannot come to a conclusion that they need not prepare economics and they can completely take it as choice. No, that's a completely wrong notion. You should also prepare well for economics, as the standards of examination of CA Foundation are above than that of standards of intermediate level, my dear students. That's why you need to work hard and prepare well for economics also. Of course, it's a new subject for the students coming from science streams. Now last subject, that is BCK, business and commercial knowledge. This is for 40 marks. It's a very simple, very easy and very scoring subject, and this subject is common for the students coming from all the backgrounds. That means even if you belong to MEC or CEC background, this is completely new subject. So what you can observe that, so majority areas are there which even the students of MEC, CEC background students need to learn afresh. So MPC or BPC students need not come to a conclusion that so MEC or CEC students know everything which is there in CA Foundation, and BPC or MPC students does not know anything. No, that's completely wrong notion. There are large number of areas which are new for MEC or CEC students also. Now let us start discussing what sort of strategies students need to adopt for cracking CA Foundation. First of all, let us start with students coming from CEC background. My dear students, if you are coming from CEC background, you may face little bit of difficulty with respect to mathematics. Frankly speaking, if you prepare properly, you will not have any issues. We will be teaching from zero level, we will be teaching very slowly, we will be teaching in such a way that it is understandable even to the students of CEC background. That sort of help that you can expect from Masterminds management. So that's why you need not worry about mathematics. Of course, you must aim to score at least 50% marks in mathematics. So mathematics weightage is 40 marks. You try to score at least 20 marks in mathematics. Remaining marks you can take care of in statistics and reasoning. So you first need to take care of mathematics and you must score at least 20 marks in mathematics, my dear students. Of course, when it comes to reasoning, it's new for everyone and it's a very simple subject. You can score very good marks in reasoning. I have seen large number of students who will be able to score at least 18 marks out of 20 in reasoning. It is that much easy subject. As far as statistics is concerned, it is new for the students of all the backgrounds. So you need not worry about statistics. It's very simple. So if you are poor at mathematics, don't worry. You can focus well on statistics and reasoning and can score wonderful marks. Sir, what is the pass criteria? As far as pass criteria is concerned, in each paper you must score 40% marks. In each paper, it's not subject wise, it's paper wise. In each paper you must score 40% marks. And in aggregate, you should score 50% marks. What is meant by 40%? For example, the second paper is Law and BCR. So as far as Law and BCR is concerned, both the subjects put together, you must score 40 marks. That means 40 out of 100. 40 out of 100. There is no condition that you must score 40% in law, you must score 40% in BCR. No, there is no condition as such. So it is sufficient if you score 40% of the marks in both the subjects together. That is, in that paper, you must score 40% of the marks. Now, coming to aggregate. Aggregate means total. Total must be 50%. Each paper exam will be conducted for 100 marks. That means exam will be conducted for 400 marks. Now, you must score at least 50%. That means 200. So, this is called aggregate. It is not sufficient if you score 40% in each of the papers. You must also score 50% in aggregate. That is, put together total marks of all the papers. Now, if you are coming from CEC background, what you need to do is, you aim to score just 40 marks, that is qualifying marks in this paper, the paper of maths, stat and reasoning. So since you are already familiar with accounts and economics, you try to score maximum marks in that. So try to score at least 60 in accounts paper, try to score at least 60 in economics paper, only 40 in maths, stat and reasoning paper, and even if you score minimum of 40 in law and BCR paper, you can comfortably reach 200 total. So you need not worry about maths, stat and reasoning. So even if you are poor in mathematics, you can comfortably score minimum of 40 marks, because mathematics weightage is only 40. Out of that you score at least 20. Remaining 20 marks you can score in statistics and reasoning. Even if you score 10 marks in mathematics, it's okay. Let us assume you are able to score only 10 marks in mathematics. No issues. You can score 20 in statistics. You can score at least 10 in reasoning. Total becomes 40. 10 in mathematics out of 40. 20 in statistics out of 40. 10 in reasoning out of 10. Out of 20. Totally has become 40. So it's very easy to score 40 qualifying marks in maths, stat and reasoning paper. Sir, what about aggregate? You need not worry. You aim to score at least 60 in accounts, because you are already familiar with accounts. You aim to score at least 60 marks in economics and BCK, because you are already familiar with economics. In those two papers, you aim to score 60 marks. So even if you get 40 in law BCR paper, you can comfortably get through the CA foundation examination. So this is the strategy you need to adopt. So students coming from CEC background need not worry about their result. They can comfortably qualify if they prepare following this strategy. Now let us see what the students of MEC background need to do. So as far as students from MEC background, they need not worry. So for them the strategy is so simple. If let us see accounts. Accounts they are already familiar with. They must score at least 60 marks in accounts so that they will not get any aggregate problem. They must score at least 60 marks in economics and BCK paper, because they are already familiar with economics. They must score at least 60 marks in maths, stat and reasoning, because they are already familiar with mathematics. And as far as law and BCR is concerned, even if you score 40 marks also, you will be able to cross 200 marks and you will comfortably qualify CA foundation. So you need not worry. You need not worry. Sir, I came from a Telugu medium background. I have studied intermediate in Telugu medium. One MEC student may say like this. My dear student, you need not worry. Even if you are coming from Telugu medium background, as far as accounts is concerned, medium is not a problem. As far as accounts is concerned, medium is not a problem because it's a problematic paper. As far as maths, stat and reasoning is concerned, medium is not a problem because it's an MCQ paper. Maths, stat, reasoning is an MCQ paper, 100 marks MCQs. Accounts is a descriptive paper, 100 marks. Law BCR is a descriptive paper, 100 marks. Economics BCK, MCQ paper, 100 marks. So, since maths, stat, reasoning is an MCQ paper, language is not a barrier. Since economics and BCK is a MCQ paper, language is not a barrier. Yes, language is a barrier in the subject of law BCR. Of course, as far as BCR is concerned, you need not worry because majority concepts you might have learnt in our school level itself. So, you may get trouble in understanding law. No problem, no problem. In that paper, you aim to score only 40. In that paper, you aim to score only 40 marks. So, try to score 60 in accounts, try to score 60 in maths, stat, reasoning, try to score 60 in economics and BCK. In all these three papers, language is not a barrier. So, language is a barrier only in one paper, that is law and BCR. You aim to score only 40 in that, you can easily come out of that aggregate problem. So, now coming to once again CEC students. So, some CEC students may say that, sir, I belong to Telugu medium background. You need not worry. You need not worry. So, the strategy to be adopted by you is, as far as accounts is concerned, language is not a barrier because it's purely problematic. You aim to score at least 60 marks in accounts. As far as economics and BCK is concerned, language is not a barrier. You aim to score at least 60 marks in that paper. So, as far as maths, stat and reasoning, you aim to score only 40 marks. As far as law and BCR is concerned, you aim to score only 40 because you are saying that you came from Telugu medium background. Since language is a barrier, you aim to score only 40 in that. So, total will become 200. 60 plus 60 plus 40 plus 40, 200. There ends the matter. So, even if you belong to CEC background and coming from Telugu medium background, you can comfortably qualify CA foundation by adopting this strategy. Now, let us quickly jump into students from MPC background. So, my dear students coming from MPC background can understand accounts in a wonderful manner. They don't find any difficulty in understanding accounts. Even students coming from MPC background can learn accounts just like mathematics. So, you will feel that accounts is very simple, very easy when compared to that of physics and chemistry. I can challenge you. It's very easy to learn accounts when compared to physics and chemistry. So, even coming from MPC background, you can comfortably score 60 marks. Okay, let us assume you are able to score only 50, no problem. Let us assume in accounts you are able to score only 50 marks. Now, the second paper, law and BCR. So, as far as law and BCR is concerned, this is new for students coming from all the backgrounds. So, majority of the concepts of BCR you might have learnt in school level itself. You can comfortably score 50 marks in law and BCR. Let us take downside. Let us take that you are able to score only 40 marks. Accounts 50, law BCR 40, 90 marks. You can comfortably score 70 marks in maths, stat and reasoning because it's a completely MCQ paper. You are already familiar with mathematics. Once you are familiar with mathematics, you can score 30 or 35 marks in mathematics. And remaining statistics 30, reasoning around 15. So, put together, you can comfortably score 70 marks in maths, stat and reasoning. That means you must put a target to score at least 70 marks in maths, stat and reasoning, and it is quite possible also. So, 90 plus 70 becomes 160. So even if you are able to score 40 in economics and BCK, you can qualify CA foundation. Of course, you can comfortably score 50 to 60 in economics and BCK. You need not worry about that. So even if you score 50 marks in accounts, 50 marks in accounts, 50 marks in law and BCR, 70 marks in math, stat, reasoning. So 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 70, 160, and at least 40 in economics and BCK, total becomes 200. Now let us assume, so you feel that you cannot score more than 40 in law BCR. Don't worry, you try to score 50 in economics and BCR, economics and BCK. So in such a case, accounts 50, law BCR 40, that is 90, math, stat, reasoning 70, that is 160, economics and BCK 50. So total has already crossed 210. So you need not worry. If you feel that you cannot score more than 40 in law BCR, try to put more efforts on economics and BCK and try to score at least 50 in economics and BCK. But at any cost, you must score 70 in math, stat and reasoning so that you will come out of the aggregate problem. Now, some students may say, sir, I belong to Telugu medium background. What shall I do? So as far as Telugu medium students are concerned, coming from MPC background, they will have a difficulty only with respect to one subject, that is law and BCR. Don't worry, you aim to score only 40 in that. Out of 100, you try to score only 40 in that. So accounts, you try to score 50. Since you are coming from MPC, you try to score 50. Law BCR, only 40 is enough, 90. Math, stat, reasoning, language is not a barrier because it's an MCQ subject. So try to score 70, 90 plus 70, 160. Economics and BCK, language is not a barrier since it's an MCQ subject. Even if you are able to score 40, you will get total 200. So luckily, if you are able to score 50, the total will become 210. So it's not at all an issue. This is how you need to plan your strategy. Now, with respect to BPC students, my dear students, you need not worry. I am going to give you a different strategy. Let us assume you are coming from BPC background. You aim to score only 50 in accounts, no problem. You aim to score only 50 in accounts. You aim to score 50 in law and BCR. You aim to score 50 in law and BCR. Total is 100. As far as math, stat and reasoning is concerned, you aim to score only 20 in mathematics. Just 20. Okay, leave it. 10 marks in mathematics. Out of 40 in mathematics, you aim to score only 10. Statistics, out of 40, you try to score at least 30. As far as statistics is concerned, you try to score at least 30 out of 40. 30 plus 10, 40. As far as reasoning is concerned, you try to score at least 15 because reasoning is new for the students of MPC students also. Statistics is new for the students of MPC students also. For the students coming from all the backgrounds, statistics is new. For the students coming from all the backgrounds, reasoning is new. So in this manner, you can comfortably score 55. Mathematics only 10, statistics 30, reasoning 15. So total becomes 55. So you try to score 55 in math, stat, reasoning. Total has become 155. Accounts 50, law BCR 50, math, stat, reasoning 55. Total 155. As far as economics and BCK is concerned, even if you score 45, total becomes 200. But you can comfortably score 60. It's not even 45. You can comfortably score 60 in economics and BCK. So this is the strategy you need to adopt, my dear students. You need to pay a lot of attention on law and BCR. You must score maximum marks in that. And my dear students coming from science background can comfortably score 60 in accounts. They feel accounts to be so simple when compared to the physics and chemistry. But I was calculating downside. Now coming to BPC student coming from Telugu medium background, you need not worry. You try to score at least 60 in accounts. Since you are coming from Telugu medium background, language is not a barrier for accounts. You try to score 60 in accounts. You try to score only 40 in law and BCR because language becomes a barrier in law and BCR. That's why let us put an aim of only 40 marks. 60 plus 40, 100. You try to score 55 in math, stat and reasoning. Language is not a barrier because it's a MCQ paper. So you try to score 55, total becomes 155. As far as economics and BCK is concerned, language is not a barrier. Language is not a barrier because it's an MCQ subject. So you, even if you score 45 in that, you will qualify. But in majority cases, economics and BCK, majority students will be scoring at least 50 out of 100. That's why it's not at all a big deal even for you to qualify. So for everyone, I have given a different strategy. For students coming from MEC background, CEC background, MPC background, BIPC background, and students coming from Telugu medium background, for all of you, I have given a different strategy, my dear students. I think your job becomes very easy now. This is how you need to prepare, this is how you need to plan, this is how you need to design your strategies and change your priorities so that you can comfortably qualify your CA foundation in the first attempt itself, my dear students. We are ready to offer you wonderful coaching for CA foundation. You are welcome to join in Masterminds. You can definitely experience best coaching for CA in Masterminds. So we can proudly say that Masterminds is a leading institution in entire South India with more than 18 to 20,000 admissions per annum for all the courses put together. So that sort of quality education we are ready to deliver. So as far as CA foundation is concerned, till now our best rank is All India's second rank. I can proudly say that no other institution in South India has even achieved a rank which is nearer to this second rank. That itself is an indication of quality of education that we are providing, my dear students. And we are very popular for conducting large number of exams. Every week you will have an exam. By the time you attempt your public exam, you will get a lot of ease and you can go to the exam with lot of convenience and a lot of ease. So we are very popular, extremely popular for conducting large number of exams. And Masterminds is extremely popular for their materials. We'll offer the best materials in the industry. So these are the positive things in our organization, my dear students. You can comfortably come and join in Masterminds. Students of any background will be taken special care of and you did not worry about your result. We make you to qualify CA foundation in the first attempt itself, my dear students. Please don't forget to download our app, Masterminds online classes. It's an Android app. Various useful videos are also already available in that app. Please install that app. Whatever the videos you want, you can directly purchase and start watching without any human intervention. We have already created separate doubts clarification Telegram channels separately for the courses of CA foundation, CA or CMA inter, CA or CMA final. Please do join in that group. So link is already given in the description of this video. Please do join. My dear students, if you have any doubts in academics, you can directly contact me. I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and Academic Director in Masterminds. You can contact me on my number 9248733348 and my mail ID is mssprakash2012@gmail.com. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel so that we will be motivated to do still more number of useful videos to you. All the best.